Have you ever wondered why some foods make you feel energetic while others make you feel sluggish? Welcome, nutrition navigators. Today we're embarking on a journey, unraveling the mysteries of the science behind nutrition. We'll be exploring everything from the power of macronutrients and the magic of micronutrients to the complex role of genetics in our nutritional needs. So buckle up, my fellow navigators, as we set sail into the vast sea of nutritional science. Let's dive into this fascinating journey. So, are you ready to become a nutrition navigator? What comes to mind when you hear the word macronutrients? Sounds like a science experiment, doesn't it? But it's much simpler than that. Macronutrients, namely carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are the cornerstones of our diet. They're the powerhouses providing us with energy, forming the building blocks of our cells, and playing a crucial role in essential bodily processes. Picture them as the bustling workers in the factory of your body. Without macronutrients, our bodies wouldn't have the fuel they need to function. It's like trying to run a car without gasoline. Now, let's turn our attention to the tiny but mighty micronutrients. These small yet powerful players, vitamins and minerals, have specific roles in a multitude of bodily functions. They're like secret agents, ensuring our vision is sharp, our immunity robust, our bones strong, and our cells functioning properly. They're the unsung heroes in the background, making sure everything runs smoothly. So the next time you take a bite of your favorite fruit or vegetable, remember, you're not just eating food, you're also consuming these magical micronutrients. Have you ever heard the phrase, "Not all calories are created equal"? Let's find out why that is. Picture this. You have 2 meals, each with the same calorie count. One is a greasy fast food burger, the other a hearty salad with lean protein. Your body won't process these calories in the same way. The salad, being nutrient-dense, will provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals. The burger, while delicious, lacks these benefits. So it's not just about counting calories, it's about making each calorie count. Now here's a question for you. Why do you think nutritional needs can vary from person to person? Just like snowflakes, no 2 humans are exactly alike. Our age, gender, activity level, and medical conditions can significantly influence our nutritional requirements. A marathon runner needs a different fuel mix than a chess player. A teenager's diet differs from that of a senior citizen. And medical conditions, they can rewrite the whole menu. So, remember, just as we all have unique personalities, our bodies have unique nutritional needs too. Water everywhere, but are you drinking enough of it? Now let's dive into the importance of hydration. Our bodies are like a bustling city, and water is the highway system connecting everything. It helps regulate our body temperature like a built-in air conditioner. It's also the delivery service, transporting essential nutrients to our cells. And let's not forget its role as the sanitation department, flushing out waste from our bodies. So, drink up. Your body will thank you. Ever wonder why some people can eat whatever they want and not gain weight, while others aren't so lucky? The answer might be in your genes. Our genetic makeup can influence how our bodies respond to different foods. For instance, some of us may be genetically predisposed to absorb nutrients more efficiently, while others might be more prone to certain nutrient deficiencies. So the saying, "you are what you eat," might need a small tweak. Perhaps "you are what your genes allow you to eat" would be more accurate. Did you know your food choices impact not just your health, but the health of the planet too? It's a fascinating truth. When we opt for locally sourced organic foods, we reduce our carbon footprint and support local economies. Choosing plant-based or responsibly raised animal products can also help conserve resources and protect biodiversity. It's a domino effect. Our daily food choices can shape the landscape of our planet. So, when we make sustainable food choices, we're not just nourishing ourselves, we're also caring for our planet. Food isn't just about nutrition, it's also about emotions, memories, and habits. Our relationship with food is as complex as a Rubik's Cube, with layers of taste, culture, and personal experiences all mixed in. It's not just about what's on your plate, but also what's going on in your mind. Mindful eating can help us understand our food patterns and make healthier choices. Addressing disordered eating patterns is also vital to a healthy relationship with food. So remember, being a nutrition navigator isn't just about what you eat, but also about how and why you eat. So, we've come to the end of our journey unraveling the mysteries, the science behind nutrition. We've explored the power of macronutrients, the magic of micronutrients, the truth about calories, and more. Remember, what we consume is a cornerstone of our well-being, and it's a journey that's ever evolving. So keep exploring, keep asking questions. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sail through the sea of nutrition with us. This is your nutrition navigator signing off.